Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. I'm Carl Froof and we're live reviewing Dongwe Ocean View on the southeast coast of Zanzibar. And one of the activities you can do while visiting Dongwe Ocean View is to come for a relaxing massage with Mama Crystalia. Mama, habari za asubuhi?
Nzuri.
Pole na kazi.
Asante.
Relaxation is an important part of what you need to come do on Zanzibar. And we've got Sally that's lucky enough to enjoy a massage. So you can come for massages, manicures, pedicures, and scrubs. And wow, I'm sure Sally is enjoying it.
I might even have a facial afterwards.
Right. Mama Crystalia doing her magic. Carl Froof, GMC Live Reviews. Come and enjoy a relaxing massage at Dongwe Ocean View.